When you log into your OfficeSuite mobile app, you'll have access to your soft phone features. You will use the same login credentials for the app as you would for the portal. To enable the soft phone on the app, select the icon near the top left. You may be prompted with permission to allow the app access to your microphone. Once the icon turns green, the soft phone is now enabled. You can make calls to extensions within your organization or any regular phone number. To do that, click on the keypad down in the middle. From here, you can dial any number or extension you like and hit the green phone icon. From here, you can mute or unmute yourself, access the keypad, put your phone on speaker. You can add a call. From here, you can find somebody in your call group or dial the number by clicking on dial pad. To get back to the call, click back to call in the top left. You can put the call on hold, click the pause button again to put the call back. And you can access more features under the More, such as transfer to voicemail, transfer the call, or call first transfer. To end the call, simply click the red phone icon. If you ever want to turn your soft phone off, you can use the toggle button near the top right. To access your voicemails, click the voicemail icon near the bottom. If prompted, allow OfficeSuite to access to your contacts. From here, you can access all your voicemails and listen to them. To use the chat function of OfficeSuite, click on the chat in the bottom right. You can start a new chat by clicking the Start New Chat button at the top, or start a new group chat. To start a new chat, simply type in the person's name or their extension. Then click on the icon on the right, and you can message the person. If you ever want to call this person after messaging them, you can click on the call icon in the top right. Your recent history for calls can be found under the Recent section. All your contacts will be available in the bottom left-hand corner. You'll have your favorite contacts as noted by the star, access to all your coworkers within your organization, and any contacts you may have from your phone or group contacts. You can update your status by clicking on the icon at the top. To access the full menu of OfficeSuite, click on the menu icon near the top right. A quick shortcut to the different features of OfficeSuite is available in the ellipsis icon near the bottom right. Clicking on that will allow you to quickly toggle your soft phone on and off, enable Do Not Disturb, call twinning, and update your presence. Clicking on More will give you more features.